What's up guys, Carl here from SP Tech Gadgets, and it's good to be back here in YouTube. And today I got an unboxing for you. This is the Strafe RGB gaming mechanical keyboard from Corsair, and this keyboard packs an RGB lighting together with the Cherry MX red switches that was released in 2008. And at the back of the box it shows here the FPS and MOBA keycaps that is included inside. These keycaps are very useful, especially for gamers. We can also see here the detachable soft touch wrist rest that is good for keeping your hands in place. Another feature of this keyboard is this USB pass-through, and of course anti-ghosting. So let's begin now by opening the box. Let me get this Gerber knife. Nice tough knife to cut this tough box to reveal this monster. So let's open it. Upon opening the box, we can see here the quick start guide and some literature. And here is the detachable soft touch wrist rest. That is, I don't know, I think it's made in plastic. Yep, it's made in plastic. Cheapo plastic. But it's good though and soft. It's fine. Here's that cheapo plastic that I've been telling you. So let's put that aside. And next is, here are your FPS and MOBA keycap sets together with the keycap puller. There you go. Put it aside. And finally, what all of you've been waiting for, the keyboard itself. Well, this keyboard is pretty heavy at 1.5 kilograms, I think. Yep, it's 1.5 kilograms. The box, wait. So let's remove this plastic, and here it is. So let me show you the two USB ports, one for the keyboard and one for the USB pass-through. The cables are not braided, but they're fairly tough and heavy. The tactile feel and response of the mechanical keyboard is what you're paying for. The design and build of this keyboard is very impressive compared to other gaming peripheral brands such as the Green Snakes with their Chinese build quality. And I might say Corsair is better than the Green Snakes. And now I'm gonna show you the Cherry MX red switches that is located beneath the keycaps. And there it is together with the RGB lighting above. So let us now test this keyboard. Upon installing the Corsair utility engine, you will notice how well illuminated the keyboard is. It is very gorgeous with this RGB lighting scheme. And you will hardly notice the lag or fluctuation rate between the changing of colors. Corsair also added their logo in this keyboard and is also lit by the RGB lighting together with the Cherry MX buttons. At the upper right side of the keyboard is where located the scroll lock, num lock, and the caps lock. These three lighting indicators are lit by one single white LED and not the RGB one. At the side of the keyboard is where you can find the white light line beam. It is very stylish, combining with the RGB lighting of the keyboard. So let us now take a look at the lighting effects that is included in the Corsair utility engine. The first preset is the spiral rainbow, followed by the rainbow wave, and this is the visor that I'm showing you. Next is rain, then color shift, color pulse, like a breathing color light, color wave that cycles and waves along the colors. Our next is interactive typing. The ones that you press will light up. And our last, let's try this again, wait. interactive lighting. There we go. In random colors. The last lighting effect is the ripple, and for me this is my favorite. You can really see how smooth the lighting effects work on this keyboard compared to other RGB mechanical gaming keyboards. And one feature that I like most is the white under backplate of this keyboard that reflects all the colors well. That is why it shows brighter and more vivid colors compared to others. You can also customize into whatever color that you may pick in this Corsair utility engine. For its $120 price tag, you won't be wrong in choosing the Corsair Strafe RGB. You will definitely get the value of your money and will make any gaming setup stand out. With the extra FPS and mobile keys and USB pass-through, I highly recommend this keyboard for gamers who are in a budget and looking for a good mechanical RGB keyboard. So that's about it guys, that's the unboxing and overview of the Corsair Strafe RGB mechanical keyboard.